Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is Fold It Club time. Our fastest growing club. Yep, it's true. It's our fastest growing club, our Fold It Club. What is a Fold It? A Fold It is a shaped card. It's a shaped card die set. And what does that do? On the back of the die, it'll tell you where to place your fold. So you'll be able to make a shaped card. And the Fold It Club shaped cards are exclusive to the Fold It Club. Can you buy it later on our website? Nope. Only if you're in the Fold It Club can you get it. Can't even buy it. You have to be in the club to get it, right? Are you ready? Get set. I absolutely love this one. It is called, and it's almost like a tongue twister. Ready? Topsy-Turvy Tortoise. Yeah, that's kind of a tongue twister. Topsy-Turvy Tortoise. It is a cute little tortoise that is upside down, perfect for get well or whoops or oh no or oh better days are ahead, fun things like that. Now, I did something a little different on this. Oh, and it comes with 2 stencils too, and one of the stencils are perfect for baby showers or bridal showers. Ready? But first, I'm going to show you this. So we have our cute little guy with his umbrella, and we have all these extra little dies. Now, first of all, I gave you some raindrops if you wanted some raindrops. Then I also gave you 2 dies. Why did I give you 2? Because you know what? If you're anything like me, you might lose 1. So I was able to fit in 2. They're just little mouths. So do you want him to have a happy face or a sad face? That's up to you. You get to decide. Or you could just draw it on there. That's up to you. Also, I gave you 2 little dies of his toenails. So you can add those on as well. You can color them with the pen, or you can add the little toenails. Why did I give you 2? Because you might lose 1. Right? That's me. Now, let's look at this. Oh, of course, you get a handy dandy postcard with some ideas. More ideas are on our website in our idea gallery. Now, let's look at these fun stencils. Ta-da! Perfect for baby showers. Perfect for baby showers or get well. You could also turn it this way so the umbrellas are upside down for the baby showers or the bridal showers. Love it. So that is our cute little umbrella stencil, which I absolutely love. Then you're also getting this fun stencil, and I know on camera it might not look like much, but you're getting to stencil in those fun patterns. Let me turn it this way so you can see. We also have the little sketch marks there so you can see where that's supposed to go on the umbrella so you can add your stenciling. You'll know exactly where to line up your umbrella so you can get those cute little patterns on there. The cute little hexagons on here, the cute little tortie down here, and the fun umbrella. Now, Fold It Club, anyone in our Fold It Club gets to sit back, relax, and know this is safely on its way to you. If you are not in the Fold It Club, my friends, you cannot get this set. You cannot unless you join the Fold It Club. The Fold It Club monthly commitment is only 3 months. Go check it out. Go see if you love it, because you know what? It is our fastest growing club. And there is a chance, I try to order extra, but we get so many new club members each month. I try to order extra. There's a possibility we sell out. And then you just have to wait for the next month. So make sure you get into the Fold It Club as soon as possible so you get this one guaranteed. Now, anyone that's already in the club is guaranteed to get it. Don't worry. Look at how dang adorable this little guy is. Isn't that so cute? Here's another one. Now, the fun thing, though, is our design team gets these, and they make them all so incredibly different. So I want to show you that one. I want to show you this one. I want to try to hold up as many as I can so you can see. Oh, perfect for a baby shower. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look how many different ways I can do this. So here's a cute little one. Here's another one. Look, look at the little raindrops on that one. Isn't that totally adorable? I love that. So let's hold this one up. I want you to see all the different ones. Here is another one. Ooh, this is using our horizontal stage card. Hello, look at that. Right? Knock your socks up. Or put it on a 5x7 card base. They fit perfectly on 5x7 card bases. Or do it separately, right? So look at all these different versions. Same exact card, totally different every single time. Last but not least, we have this cutie pie. And who did this? Linda. This is so dang adorable. So look at this one, you guys. This is on a 5x7. She used our cactus folded, our taco to stamp die, 5x7 card base, sayings for cake, and more frogs to stamp, and the 5x7 shadow box dies. Oh my goodness. Look at how adorable that is. And our cloud stencil. That little guy is ready for a party, isn't he? Have a succulent birthday. Birthday wishes. Age isn't important. Isn't that totally cute? I love that with his little sombrero. It fits him perfectly. And I like that he's not totally upside down. She put him on his side. I love that. Now, Folded Club members, as I mentioned, you're good. You're fine. You got it in the mail to you. You're all set. If you are not in the Folded Club, my friends, you need to get in the Folded Club to get this set. It's exclusive to the Folded Club set. Folded Club cup. Fold It Club. Go on, losing it today. My friends, go get it quick, thestampsoflife.com. Just go click on join the club and just watch the video. It'll explain it all to you. And 15% discount every single day, every single item, every single order. It's true. My website is on sale to you every single day if you're a club member, because you're getting 15 to 20% off your entire order every single day. It's amazing. Now, does that include Totally Tiffany? You better believe it does. Does that include secret weapons? You better believe it does. Does that include cardstock? Yes. Die cut machines? Yes. Stamps? Yes. Dies? Yes. Adhesive? Yes. You name it, it's included. Go check it out. thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.